Hello everybody, it's Pablo Muñoz-Baroja here, and I'm going to explain how this wonderful program named Geogebra is going to provide us information about a parabolic movement. This is basically a simulator of a physics problem. So firstly, we should know what does the statement say. A tennis player serves from the baseline. The ball, which is hit, has 8 centimeters of diameter, and its mass is 60 grams. What value is going to take the maximum height of the ball after bouncing once? Now, there are several variables which are going to change completely the movement. For example, let's talk about the initial height. If the height of a player is elevated, the final height will also be higher. However, if he's small, the height will obviously be smaller too. Now let's see this in practice. Let's change the initial height. So as you can see, the final height is going to be higher if it's elevated. As we said before, if we put a smaller height, initial height, the final height will be smaller too. They are proportional. And the same happens with the initial speed, which is this variable. If we change the value, we put it slower. Imagine that the strength of the tennis player is slower. As we can see, the final height is going to be lower too. So that means that they are also directly proportional. We also have this P, which means the different type of surface which that can be given in tennis, and these are the 3 different type of courts that exist on tennis: clay, grass, and hard courts. And obviously the bounce is not going to be the same, and the second part of the movement, that is this function, is going to change. So we can see when we increase the value of P, it increases the final height. And however, if we decrease it, it decreases also. It is also directly proportional. Finally, the initial angle is our last variable, this one. As we change its value, the movement is going to be modified. Let's see. This, as you can see, the movement is changing. Now let's begin our movement. We put the animation, and as we can see, the ball, which is hit by the racket, is going to get at some point, and after this, the other ball is going to, we're going to activate the animation of the other one, and it's going to get the maximum height, which is this one, this point here. So this is all about the study of this problem. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for your attention.